Hello guys, good day, welcome to my channel. Here in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT or dollar on your Binance account into your bank account, whether you're from Nigeria or any other country. So kindly follow this video till the end, and if it's your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. First of all, you should make sure you have Binance app on your phone, then open it. After opening the app, the next thing to do is at the bottom of the screen, you will see trades there. Can you see trades? Say click on it. So the next thing is to click on Fiat there. Look at it up there. Click on it. Then click on sell crypto. Then you have to enter the one you want to sell, whether it is TRS, USDT, or others. Currently, I have TRS. I click on it right now. Then you enter the amount you want to sell. As you can see, I have 124 worth of TRS. So all I need to do is to click on 100%. If you want to sell 75%, you enter 75%. If you want to sell 50%, you enter 50%. And if you want to sell 100%, you enter 100% here. Then kindly click on sell TRS. It will take you to this place. And this TRS that I want to sell now is worth 9,232 naira 0.97 kobo. Alright, click on confirm. Then the next thing is this, it will take you to this place. Make sure it's you, then confirm. Click on confirm. Then as you can see, I have sold this TRS right now. Then the next thing to do is to click on withdraw cash. Just be a little patient. Just wait a little. Alright, it will take us to this place. Then you have to click on continue. Make sure you click on back transfer, and make sure the amount here is the amount you want to withdraw. Then you have to click on continue. Alright, just wait. Okay, here you are going to enter the amount you want to withdraw, 9,222. Good. Then I click on continue. Then you are going to receive 9,157 naira because they'll take the charges of 64.55. Alright, click on confirm. Just wait for a little. Then it will take us to this place. The person that is going to buy this is called Jamila Ali Abubakar. You wait for her payment. She's going to send payment in less than 10 minutes. Then after receiving the payment, just wait now. Just wait so that we can receive the payment first. Alright guys, I just received the payment. Like if I go to my OP now, you can see that I have received the payment. So all I need to do now is to come back to the platform here and click on payment receipt. Then you select on the second option, which is I have received and verified the payment, then confirm release. Just wait for it. Alright, to take us to this place, we click on the key, then verify, and you can see that this is how awesome it is to withdraw your money or to withdraw your USDT into your bank account. So if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.